Hello. Ooh, ooh. Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Hello, guys. I am taking the day off to get some things done. I went and got my nails done. I'm getting ready for a Sigma Gamma Rho Sorority Incorporated's 100-year centennial celebration. So I got my nails done today. I'm super excited. Hopefully, you guys can see the designs. I was trying to show you while I was on the freeway, but boom, boom, boom. So yeah. Okay, so Hot Tools drop. We decided last night to put everything available on the website. Everything is in stock. It's available. It will not ship out until our official launch date, which will be 7/14. So I believe that is next Thursday. Products will start shipping out. We already have them in the store. So if you want to come on in store and make your purchase, you can do that. You can also just select in-store pickup from our website, magichaircompany.com, where you'll find all of our products. We have the best wigs, as you guys can see. And yeah, we have two different sizes of flat irons coming. So we have a large size and a medium size. We also have a hot comb, which is perfect for styling your hair, ladies. We will have an edge brush, perfect for swooping your baby hairs to get them perfectly in place. I'm so excited. You guys don't know how hard and how long I've worked to get these products. We have two different sizes of bonnets. So whether you have your long curly drip or your short curly bob, we have two different size bonnets that are fully lined on both sides with satin and a little bit of rhinestones across the front that will accommodate your hair needs. Perfect to travel with, but don't walk through the airport with my bonnets on. I don't want to see it. Perfect to travel with, perfect for home, perfect for your natural hair. Even if you have like dreads or sister locks or just however you're wearing your hair, our silk satin fully lined bonnets will be perfect for you. And as I said, we have two different sizes of bonnets that will be available. We will also have two different types of brushes available. We'll have a paddle brush, and we have our brush that is more suited for curly hair, whether it's wet or dry. And we have our satin lace ties, as well as our elastic ties. So we will be securing the lace all 2022, ladies and gentlemen. My hair is actually blue and yellow underneath, but as you can see, woo, it's a little patchy right here. So I had to throw my wig on before I went to get my nails done today. And yeah, so, oh, see, trying to put my wig on and turn the car at the same time is not recommended. Definitely not safe. But let me untuck this lace here. And there you go. My wigs are nice and easy to put on. I do not recommend you doing what I just did there because that is not safe. But you see my wig came out, and now the UPS truck is stopping in front of me. Okay, now we are good to go. So yeah, product drop will officially be 7/14, but we're ready now. So come pick up your Hot Tools in store. We have a very limited quantity, so don't wait too long to pick up your products. You can walk in store, make your purchases. You can make your purchase online and select in-store pickup, or you can just wait until the 14th. Either way, we got you. We have our elastic bands, our satin bands. Oh, here's my turn. Oops, sorry. Elastic bands, satin bands, combs, brushes. We have bonnets, hot combs, and flat irons. Thank you guys for watching. I am so excited for Centennial. I will be there next week. So if you guys see me or if you follow me, say, hey, Thor. Like, I just want to say hi and show you guys some love. I love you guys. I can't wait to celebrate with my sorors next week. And check us out, guys. Check us out online, magichaircompany.com. We have the best glueless lace wigs. We're located in Culver City, California. I wish my Tesla really did like self-drive when I needed it to. So yeah, it only really does it on the freeway for the version that I got. But yeah, Make them all the money. Okay, I'm on my way home now because I'm making some shirts for our chapter to wear so we can be laced up and looking super fly, representing the Western region. West Coast is the best coast. Western region of Sigma Gamma Rho Sorority Incorporated. I am from the New Delta Sigma chapter, which I'm a charter member of. I am also a charter member of the Rho U chapter at Cal State San Bernardino, and I'm in the San Bernardino Alumni chapter. So, I'm about to miss my turn. Yeah. Oh. Okay. But yeah, I'm about to get home. I'm about to cook dinner. And I am bringing 4 wigs with me for my trip. So I'm bringing this wig with me. I'm bringing my curly wig that I've been wearing on vacation. I am bringing a custom blue wig that Tati just finished for me today. So I'm really excited to show you guys my blue wig. It's full blue, no root. I'm gonna wear that in first class. Yep, the black girl with the blue hair. That's me. That's me. Yeah, I'm excited. And one other wig. Oh, and my 24-inch custom color, custom blondes. It's like blondes and browns, silky straight. So I am bringing those 4 wigs with me on top of my blue and yellow hair, on top of my I'm so extra nails. You know I'm coming. I'm coming and I'm showing out. I love my org. I love, you know, um, what else? What else? Don't forget, guys, product launch will be 7/14, but stuff is available now. So come in and shop with us now. Come in, shop with us now. Boom. I gotta fix this little patch over here. Don't forget to untuck that lace. And there you go. All right, guys, I am about to get off and get home and finish these shirts up because that's my hobby when I'm not working. I love to craft. You have to also do something that just makes you happy, and crafting makes me happy. So I'm going to make some t-shirts. This shirt on is from one of my mini vacations. What does it say? I don't know. I can't see what it says, but you guys know I love to travel. I love to get out. I will be going on a cruise in a couple of weeks. This one says, oh, this is Tibby Island. This was in North Carolina. This was actually last 4th of July. I went there. My husband's family is from North Carolina, or was it South Carolina? South Carolina and Savannah. So we went there last 4th of July. That was a lot of fun. And yeah, we're doing lots of other traveling this year. So that is my life in a nutshell. And what else? It's hot today. It's 91 degrees. I wish that I was at the beach. Being in LA, I always talk about how we don't go to the beach enough. We should go to the beach. I want to go to the beach. But I have a pool at home, so maybe I should just go to my pool at home. Yeah, last week I wasn't feeling well. For those of you guys that saw my post, when I was in Vegas for the stroke clinic, I woke up on Sunday with really bad pains, and I actually had to go to the emergency room on Monday, and I had kidney stones, or just one kidney stone, which was extremely painful. So, yeah, take care of your health, ladies and gentlemen, and yeah, I just hope that when I'm on my trip, I don't get in any pain and not feel well. So pray that I have a safe trip, that my flights, that I have travel, grace and mercy. Those of y'all that pray, continue to pray over my business. I really appreciate that my clientele, when I ask them to pray for me, sometimes they pray for me in store, and or they just let me know I'm praying for you. But pray that my business continues to flourish and I continue to help people. Speaking of help, we are becoming an in-network provider for a few of the different hospitals and organizations around. We currently can help you with medical reimbursement, so we can get your insurance to pay for your wig. All you need to do is get your prescription. Get your prescription from your doctor. So call or email your doctor and tell them you need a prescription for a cranial prosthesis. Once you get um, your prescription, send your prescription to us, send your medical card to us, and send your ID. We need all three of those documents, front and back. Email them to magichaircompany@gmail.com, and then we will put your information in the system. You have to have an active insurance policy in order for your insurance to cover you for your medical wig or cranial prosthesis. And so we'll put your information in the system to let you know how much you're covered for, and then you can select a wig and use your insurance to cover it. I've seen some insurances cover as much as $3,000 per year towards durable medical equipment, which is what my cranial prosthesis wigs category falls into. So don't miss out on getting your insurance to pay for your wig. It doesn't cost anything to um, call your doctor to get the prescription, and then let us tell you how much you qualify for. So you're already paying for your insurance, so let your insurance pay for your wig. It's in your policy. It's in there. I know it is. And yeah, we're working on some other things. Product launch will be 7/14, and there's currently no wait for custom color. Shop with us at magichaircompany.com. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing everybody very soon. Ooh, these Trevors are very aggressive. You know what? I'm just trying to get over it. Y'all need to calm down. It's the middle of the day. But yeah, let me get off live. And I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Let me know what type of content you want to see from me while I'm over at Centennial. Did I miss my turn? I definitely. I'm about to turn here. So yeah, I definitely missed my turn. Like, this is what my husband's talking about. I don't know how to get home, which is true. Um, but yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Check us out, magichaircompany.com. We have the best glueless lace wigs. Product launch 7/14. Medical reimbursement available. So let us help you get your wig paid for by insurance. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.